Hi guys, welcome to this video. So today I'll be teaching you how to make scrunchies without using a sewing machine. So even in this class, you don't need to know how to use the sewing machine. All you need is your needle, your thread, your elastic band, your fabric, your scissors, and your bobby pin. Then you need a thread of your choice. So depending on the kind of fabric you're using, that's the kind of thread you're going to use. So let us go right into the video. Okay, so right now you're going to take a measurement of your fabric. This is a bridal satin fabric. 4 by 40 inches is the measurement of this fabric. So you're going to check the right side, which is going to be the right side facing each other. Then you pass your needle, you pass your thread into your needle. Afterwards, you begin to sew. You sew all the way down, and make sure that there is an 1/2 inch sewing allowance on the other side of your fabric, just so that you would have a perfect seam. So you do that, as you can see in the video. Sewing straight down. So you sew straight down. When you're done sewing, you make a knot to secure your seam. You make a knot twice is okay. When you make the knot twice, you're good to go. Then you cut the excess. Afterwards, you turn your stripe with your scissors or any other thing you can use to turn. I turn with my scissors. Afterwards, you cut your elastic band and you pass it through the stripe you've made. And don't forget that you need to iron your stripe to make it pressed and beautiful, because when you iron stuff, it gives it extra beauty and extra shine. So you pass your elastic into the stripe right now with your bobby pin. Then you're going to cut off all of those excess, and you're going to make a knot. As you can see in this video, I secured the other end of the elastic with my pin. So you can do that when you're making yours too, and you make a knot. Make sure you knot the elastic very well. You push it in for a neat work. Make sure that the edges are the same. What I mean is that the same part of both sides must be together. So then you begin to sew each other neatly. And make sure while sewing, you're trying your best to hide the seam. You try and hide it into the scrunchies itself. As you can see in the video, just watch closely. You're going to get it. Make sure you're sewing it gently. You're sewing it neatly. You continue sewing till you get to the last edge. So when you get to the last edge, just make a knot to secure your sewing. Make a knot like 3 times. First knot, second knot, and the third knot, you make a knot twice. You make your knot. After making your knot twice, then you can cut the excess thread. Trim every other thread you're seeing. Then you push it in to make it look very nice and beautiful, because neatness is one of the goal here. Can you see how beautiful it is? Now look at me trying the scrunchies on my head. You can even roll it twice. It's beautiful. So instead of you using rubber band, do well to make one of this for yourself and for your family members, and you can also make this for sale. Thank you for watching.